Hey guys, quick video showed how to fix this armrest with a broken latch. It's a 2002 Acura. The upper latch is broke. I don't know if you can see that, it's just kind of broke. It's a very easy fix though. This is what you need to replace, and all you need to do is take out these two screws up top here, like this. There's one. And there's two. And then take this piece out here. And then go ahead and get yourself a new one. That's what it looks like. Very easy. Then you put it in like this. Slide the new one into place. Get your screws. And screw it back in. It's that simple. A little easier with one hand, but literally take me a minute to do it with one hand. I'm trying to film at the same time, and that's it. And there you have it. That's how you fix it. Hope I helped. Thanks for watching.